everyone, Tessa here. I just wanted to talk about when your vacuum cleaner loses suction. I did a thorough video of that and how you can actually access every part of this hose just in case something got stuck in there. These are the two most common places though. This is really where you want to look first. So you just push this button to get this out. I've already emptied this part, but you would just push this right here and then it would empty out. But I forgot to show you this part. This is really important. What you're going to do right here, you just open it up just like that. There's a filter. Oh my goodness, I got to clean that. That's another thing. You must clean your filter, and that's going to help with better suction too. But you just take this out here. As you can see, there is all kinds of stuff wrapped around here. I had noticed that the suction was kind of not quite as powerful as it usually is. And yeah, and I noticed that and I thought, oh, I really need to put this video on here to let you know, because this really makes a big, big difference. And I really should clean my filters too, and that's gonna make it even extra better. So those are my tips right there. I hope that helps.